Welcome back to The Spicy Vegetarian. My name's Adarata, and in this video we're going to be making a super herby roasted potato salad. One thing I have to say is I don't have an oven, so the roasted potato bit is going to be pan fried golden brown potatoes. I was inspired by a recipe I found a couple of years ago online. It's super garlicky, super herby with lots of parsley in it, and it's super green. Hence the green top. I thought I'd match my potato salad that I'll be making today. We start off by chopping up 4 medium to large sized potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Next, I poured in olive oil into my frying pan and then put all of the rinsed potatoes straight into the pan. While these potatoes fry in the pan, I go straight to preparing the sauce and other bits and things that are going to go into the potato salad. Here's my bowl, just so you know. First up is the red onion, which I sliced off about a quarter of the whole red onion. Similarly with the celery, I put in 2 small stalks that I sliced up into little bite-sized pieces. I then roughly chopped up a small bunch of parsley. With those 3 fresh ingredients in the bowl, I then cut up a lemon and squeezed in half of its juice. Then I went in with the Dijon mustard. I put in a large spoonful of Dijon mustard. I then poured in a generous tablespoon of olive oil and salt as well as pepper. Throughout my prep for my potato salad, I have been stirring the potatoes from time to time so that they do brown up on all sides, and at this point they had finished completely cooking and they were all golden brown. All the potatoes are now completely golden pan roasted. I put them straight into the bowl with the rest of the salad and the juices and the flavors of the lemon, olive oil and mustard so that they could soak up all of those flavors. At this point, you can pretty much serve the potato salad warm if you wanted. Otherwise, you can wrap it up and stick it in the fridge and eat it later on in the evening, in the afternoon, whenever you kind of plan to eat it, or you can save it for the next 2 days and have it with lunch. So, I've got my potato salad. And I've made this a few times, so I know how great it tastes. What I love most about this potato salad is just the textures, really. You've got the crunchiness of the red onion and the celery, and then you've got that warmth and kind of buttery richness. I did use olive oil, not butter, of the roasted potatoes rather than just if I had boiled potatoes. There's just like a different taste to it. I love this potato salad so much. I've made it a bunch of times, and I just love my like lemony, zesty, herby flavors. So if you do as well, definitely give this a go, whether you boil the potatoes or whether you roast them in the oven or on a pan. Just give it a try. Honestly, it's so good, whether you want it warm or cold. However, it's delicious. So that's it for another video at The Spicy Vegetarian. I'm Adarata. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Give me some suggestions of any videos or recipes or things that you'd love me to try. Always keen to give something a go. Thanks for watching.